Um, from left to right, Wario Fan 63. What is your hair doing right now?
It's very bedhead right now.
Shouty, what is your hair doing right now?
Standing up.
And Zanrio, what is your hair doing right now?
Not much. Just on my head. Just got a haircut yesterday, so...
It's green.
Oh god, that's loud.
Why are you purple?
Let's see. Shouty, what is your favorite color?
Dogs.
I didn't ask for your favorite Pink Floyd song.
Pink is a color.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh. It is.
Fox, what is your favorite color?
Sonic color.
Sonic?
Sonic color.
I see. You did a pun. And Zanrio, what is your favorite color?
Blue.
The molar.
Shouty, what's your favorite tooth?
The canine.
Fox, your favorite tooth?
Incisor.
And Zanrio, your favorite tooth?
I don't know.
Yourself, what is your favorite genre of movie?
I have 14 points now.
Fox, what is your favorite genre of movie?
Taco Bell commercials.
Stay classy. Wario Fan, what is your favorite genre of movie?
The one where it tells you to buy popcorn.
In order of people on Skype, yourself, what's your favorite syllable?
Cheese.
Shouty, what is your favorite syllable? And Fox, what is your favorite syllable?
Qua.
Nice.
What is my favorite one?
Gate for a controller joystick.
Ace Gate.
Alright, and Wario Fan?
I don't understand.
The gate is like on a GameCube controller, it's an octagon, and on the Wii U controller, it's a circle.
Oh. Okay. Well. Yeah. The square.
Your favorite Trex pun or portmanteau? Yourself?
Yeah, I got nothing for that.
Shouty?
Thinking about this is putting me in traction.
Okay, I guess. You don't have a lot to work with, so I'll allow it. Wario Fan?
I liked when you said traxophone.
Okay, thank you. And Zanrio?
Yeah?
What is your favorite Trax pun or portmanteau?
I can't think of anything right now.
Alright.
Clean it up.
What?
Clean it up.
Clean it up.
Yeah, it's making a recording.
What? Sanrio, what is your favorite Kirby power?
It'll pile or the hammer.
Oh yeah, the hammer.
Yes. Obviously.
And Shouty, what is yours?
Parasol.
Alright. What is your favorite god or goddess of Greek or Roman origin? Yourself?
I don't think he's there.
Oh, I heard something.
Mike's not ready yet, mean to you.
I thought I heard you talking. Sorry.
Doesn't sound like talking to me.
Alright. I'm probably ready now.
Alright. Sanrio, can you give me 5 syllables?
I what?
All right, that's...
It's a
that, yeah, those are syllables.
Okay. Oh, syllables. Okay. Yeah, I didn't catch what it said, so.
Oh.
Okay.
And Shouty, could I have 5 or so syllables?
Lolly, loo, lay, low.
All right. So what's your favorite poem?
My favorite poem?
Yeah.
Is this part of the audio test, or is this a real thing?
This is just an audio test.
Oh, you put me on the spot here. Oh, I know. My favorite poem is from the movie Big Fish.
Okay.
I think it's the sky is so blue, the grass is so green. I love Spectre.
It's pretty good. That's a good sense of meter.
Yeah, that's.
Yakomo, what is your favorite brand of pain relief ointment?
I don't take pain reliefs.
Like Neosporin.
Man, I don't know any over-the-counter drugs or anything like that.
Okay, what's your favorite type of exception? That's a better question. You know, in Java.
Oh. I don't know.
Alright.
My favorite type of exception is the general exception. There we go.
Wario fan, how many fingers am I holding up?
11.
Alright, let's listen back.
I had soup of the day.
Oh, nice.
I know.
And Adrian, what kind of sandwich did you have today? Are you having?
Turkey and cheese.
That's a pretty classic combination. And Shouty?
I had Hungarian salami with mustard and lettuce on an onion roll.
Is there anything special about Hungarian salami?
It's made from Hungaria.
Oh.
That's what it's called, right? The element Hungarium?
Oh. It's, new.
It's not a real element. I made that up.
What is your favorite game on The Price is Right?
The one where they spin the wheel.
Oh, I always want the wheel to run away.
Like it just.
I always want the contestant to spin with the wheel.
They're funny.
All right. Shouty, what do you think of Australian accents?
They're pretty typical.
Sanrio?
You know.
What do you think of Australian accents?
They're okay, I guess.
All right. Yourself, what do you think of Australian accents?
It's one of the top 5 stupidest accents in the world.
That's pretty harsh.
Well, I almost said top 2. Decided to give myself some leeway.
So what's the top one?
You know, it's undecided.
Between what?
I think Welsh is pretty bad.
Fox, what do you think of Welsh accents?
Welsh? I thought we were talking about Australian.
Change of plans.
They're an affront to linguistics.
Alright, thank you. Adrian, what is your favorite weapon from Mega Man X?
That's a really good question. I'm gonna go with the Hadouken one.
Alright. And yourself, what is your favorite weapon from Mega Man X6?
Oh, great. Right when I had a weapon ready. It's Storm Eagle's weapon. That's the best one.
Okay.
Does the most damage.
Apple.
Alright, and Wario fan?
Oh, Apple for sure.
Adrian, what is your favorite brand of bread?
I have no idea.
Sounds good.
Wheat.
That's not a... That is a very good brand. Wario fan, what is your favorite brand of bread?
Butternut.
Okay, that's also not a brand.
Are you sure?
We're working through it.
Yourself?
Who pays attention to what brands of bread they get? Bread is bread.
I like Safeway brand, famous bread.
Okay. And Shouty, what is your favorite brand of bread?
I don't eat bread.
Oh.
What a surprise.
Tongs. Tongs are pretty useful.
Alright. Zanrio, what is your favorite kitchen utensil?
Well, I don't know. Then knife.
Okay. Adrian, what are your thoughts on sporks?
Damn it, I was gonna say spork, and then you just pick it.
I was looking at Zandhammer the Spooky, and I kept reading it as Zandhammer the Sporky.
Yeah. Amazing.
Forks are like spoons and forks.
Oh, let me turn it.
Oh God. I don't know if I have one. Ukraine? Wait, is that even? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Ukraine. Yep.
And Adrian, what is your favorite East European accent?
Does Russia count?
I think so. I mean, it's in that neighborhood, at least.
It's Russian.
Hello, and welcome to the oh, wait, shit. I need to do a sound test first. That's right. Oh, no, I didn't even think of a sound test. Adrian, have you ever been skateboarding?
Actually, yes.
Alright. And Fox, have you ever been skateboarding?
No, not since the incident.
Oh, no. Sanrio, have you ever been skateboarding?
No, not that I can remember.
Not that you can remember. Wario fan, what's the most radical skateboard trick you've ever pulled off?
Well, I did an infinite spin ollie, with a double whammy kickflip, collected Tony Hawk tapes.
Okay.
Thank you.